Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. This is a part 2 of the clean the grease out of the tracks. We didn't get every little nook and cranny out, but we got a lot out, and you can see there's still some in there, but there's a lot less that's in these tracks, and I couldn't put new rollers in these tracks. If you see the before video, you could tell there's a difference. Let me see that bag. I'm going to show everyone just put it on the ground. Thank you. Yep, open wide. This bag, we had to double bag it. You could see how just utterly nasty this is. We pulled out, we probably used, what, about 20 towels? Probably about 20 towels, and they're pretty much all that nasty. But you could see here too, this side, a lot cleaner than what it was. I mean, we used a lot of WD and a lot of napkins. You can see there's a little stain right there on the ground. So we don't want to change rollers. Oh, there's another broken hinge. We didn't catch that. We got to catch that. It's a hairline. Get a number 1. Get another number 2 too. Get 2 1s and 2 2s, and then we'll just change all these end hinges for night and day difference here. Okay. And then we found upon doing this, there's a loose bolt way up there, so we tighten that down. And this way we can now feel good about changing the rollers when there's not as much grease in there. When there's so much in there, the new wheels, they don't even roll. They just, like I told you in the other video, they just kind of slide, and the roller don't even roll. And that's when the bearings burn out, and then that's when you get into problems. Plus, there's a couple rollers on that old one that were just completely shot. But this thing, even with the broken hinge and the new springs, here we go. Remember, this was a broken spring job, and I put 2 new springs on and then did the cleaning of the tracks. But it goes up good. Much better. I feel way better about this. Homeowner will love it. She ain't got to do it. Elderly client here, so that's it. That's how we do that. It's not often that I do it, but I do it. And then if I do it, because it really needs it. Innovative door. Clean your tracks out. New rollers, service, springs, cables, new doors, openers, resi, commercial. Smash the subscribe button if you're new. Drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our greasy, nasty bag of gook garage door video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Look at that guy. Thank you for watching our video.